Eliminex here. We're going to be using termite foam. Have a foam mix with the Termidor. We're putting it in between the wall voids. It's like really nice thick foam you can see on the floor. You can hear it going in. And it's going to work its way in between the voids around the insulation that's inside. You can see how it's packed in the foam. Kind of work it in there. It's like a half gallon of liquid mix, and with the foam mixture, like 1 ounce, 1.5 ounces, you can get like 2 gallons of foam. And then after it dries in about a week,